Yes, crew, once again back with another video, and today I just wanted to give you guys a quick heads up to let you know tomorrow we are dropping the Slow Jamz VIP on yellow vinyl once again. The first drop we did a couple of weeks back sold out real quick, and by popular demand I've had a lot of messages from people asking me to drop more copies. So from tomorrow I'm going to be dropping another limited drop, guys. This is yellow vinyl of Slow Jamz VIP, the original mix, and another track unreleased called Part 2 Style, which has been going down really well on the live streams we've been playing. Had a lot of rewinds, and as you can see, it's lovely yellow vinyl, blue label. I put the color scheme together myself. It's got a PVC wallet as well. I tried to make it as collectible as possible for you guys. I hope you like it. Please comment down below, guys, and let me know if you like the color, and let me know if you actually got a copy, because I'm going to do a competition for this vinyl, and I'm going to be giving away one copy to a lucky winner down below. All you have to do is just comment down below and make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll pick out a random person and they will win it. We got a few gigs coming up as well, guys. Got Brighton booked so far, and about 3 London gigs up and coming to be announced on this channel as well. Also, we've got the live stream. We've got Dubplate Wars, Don of Don's final, DJ Doms versus Jungle Bunny. They've got 2 brand new tunes going to be featuring on that night, and I'm really looking forward to it, guys. The drop for this vinyl tomorrow is 2 PM Greenwich Mean Time, so get yourself over to the Bandcamp. Make sure you're following me on the Bandcamp as well, because that's where you'll get notifications when any new releases come on. You get first dibs on it all, because it goes out pretty much instant as soon as it stocks, guys. Also follow me on Instagram, all the social medias, etc. And I can't thank you guys enough for all the support. Last 3 years has been pretty tough with all that's gone on, and it's real nice to be able to come out with a piece of vinyl and get the love shown for the Brain releases and also my own productions. So it's the greatest time ever to be an artist, guys, making music, or producer making music, because now for once we're in direct contact with the people that are into the music, share like-minded taste, if you like, for the same music. So now, guys, follow me on Bandcamp to make sure you get all the releases. Give us a big thumbs up. Peace out. Laters.